Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you another best faucet website. You can claim your free faucet from that website. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. All my videos are free on our website, and this website for you Tron. I go to deposit, copy my Tron wallet address from here to show you how you can claim your free faucet from this website, and this website link available in description. First of all, you can put your email address of faucetpay, or you can put your wallet address. You do one of that. If you want to put your email address, that's too simple. You can put your email address, okay? And if you want to put your deposit link, wallet address link, it's your choice. You can put your wallet address link. It's that's great too. You can do it. It right now didn't show me any capture. Just I click verify capture. After that I reload the page, okay, and come down and put my wallet address again, okay, and then come down, click login. Okay, I solved the capture. I just click verify capture in the down below, okay. And now you can see guys, this website send you your Satoshi. I go to my faucetpay to show you the withdrawal proof. You can put your email address. I put the wrong email address one time. About that I pause the video. You can see this website send me my Satoshi instantly to my faucetpay. Thanks for watching guys. This website link available in description, and bye bye for now.